welcome back to the channel. And here we are at the NEC for Motorcycle Live 2024. So let's take a look at the V-Moto stand. Here's one of the latest models with the Type 2 charging. And this is one of the fleet delivery bikes. So here's the new colours in the V-Moto stash. Looking really nice in red.
I can get that. I mean, basically I've been known to fold my mirrors. Good God. You know what I'm trying to do. Yeah, you're right.
Hey everyone, welcome to Motorcycle Live 2024. I'm Ed here with V-Moto UK to introduce you to the new V-Moto stash. So this was our newest bike in 2024, and for 2025 we've got two new colours coming to the UK market. We've got this lovely red colour which is coming through, and we've also got a Nardo grey. So I just thought I'd talk you through some of the stats for the bike, give you an all-round look and see what you guys think. This is a 125cc equivalent fully electric motorcycle from us at V-Moto UK, and this is in the new red colourway that we're bringing to the market in 2025. So to start through, as I say, a 125cc equivalent, which is quite surprising, and take it from me, this bike is a lot of fun to ride out on the roads. So a few of the stats I'll talk you through. So it's a 9 kilowatt battery with a 14.4 kilowatt peak power. That equates to, realistically, an 80 mile range in real world usage, and a 78 mile an hour top speed when using the boost button. With all V-Moto products, this has 3 different riding modes that will limit the top speed of the bike, allowing you to better use your battery when you're riding around town, or whether you're out and about on a few of the A roads as well. Another cool function that we've got with the bike is the boost function. So when you're in the top speed mode, fully open on the throttle, press the boost button, and that will lift the top speed to 78 miles an hour to allow you with safe overtaking. Another cool thing that's come through with these new V-Moto products is we've got the TFT dash with phone connectivity, and then also use with the app as well. This is a chain drive bike with a central motor, and as I say, a fixed battery. This is the only model in the V-Moto range which has a fixed battery, which you can plug in on the side here. But a really cool feature is the ability to take the charger around with you, hence the reason stash. We've got a lockable section here, which is where the fuel tank will be on a regular bike, where you can store your charger, or maybe a small full face helmet as well, bag, gym bag, what have you, and all the rest of it. But yeah, this is really excited to bring this new colourway in the red. I think it looks great in the red coming to the UK market. It'll be with dealers in spring 2025. Check out All Revved Up's website, all of their socials, get in touch with the guys at All Revved Up, and they'll be able to talk you through it. Thank you.
There's the Wanderer TC Pro. as well.
Both wheels go over like that. Yeah, in Poland, they build it from the snow. Got minus.
Let's go and see what BSA has got to offer. And let's start with this absolutely stunning B34. What a clean machine. Here's one of the brand new scramblers from BSA. Here's a Shadow Black as well. Very good looking machine that. Here we have the Gold Star Union Jack. Another stunning looking machine from BSA. Here's the 1949 D1 Bantam. What a clean looking bike. Here we have the BSA branded clothing.
Backwards. Oh, I'm getting tired. Next up now is going to show you area. Still on the seat over the top. So figure of she gets set up. These are TXP 20 cars.
Let's go and check out what BMW has got to offer here. Here's the R12 9T. Nice looking bike. Here's the R18 Transcontinental.
So the techniques she's going to show in a second are stuff that you can come and learn with us. We can actually do some interactive stuff after the show. So let's have a little show around. Let's split the sides like this. So on this side of the room, has anyone ever dropped a bike? There's a cycle school over. We don't want like that. But some of the stuff here we have to talk about a little bit of drill and exercise, practicing it still works properly.
There's a C400X.
We're going to move across now to Ben. Ben he's our youngest
Lovely looking
instructor.
scooter.
And that's not why we've given him the bike with no lunch lever. He's quite good at lunches, but as you know, he's got a bike with no lunch lever. It's the automated shift assist. He's been stealing people's drinks on it all day. He did steal a pint off someone earlier and they lost their sense of humour about it, so he's moved to soft drinks now. Let's give it back. It retains the feel of a normal motorbike. It has that same response, that same direct throttle, but without the pulling away. So I think we'll have another, it's like a confession session in here today. Has anyone on this side stalled a motorcycle?
Neil's a grumpy old man. He wouldn't drive by without a clutch lever. And so I thought I'd step up, Neil, you know? That's right. And as it turns out, this thing is awesome. It still has a clutch, but the bike's just doing it for you. So
you can do all your normal things, like launching it to the moon.
Yeah, and it does, you know, I'm putting in the throttle and the bike's putting in the clutch, and it's going to turn an absolute novice into someone with actually really good clutch control.
It is good. It is well worth the go. If you ever get a chance to test ride one, yeah, we all had a few preconceptions about it, but it's a fantastic system, and the bike still retains that normal throttle response once you're riding, which is important. Now we're going to move from Ben over on to Neil. Neil is on probably the sportiest end of the. Oh goodness, Ben, you got to top that now, Neil. Good luck with that. So Neil's on the sportiest end of the spectrum. So he's on the 1300 Enduro with the Pro suspension, this sports suspension. So it sits a little higher in the travel. Got a bit more ground clearance for off-road. Also sharpens the steering geometry for the road. Neil, talk to us a little bit about the bike you're on.
Yeah, so we've had these for a year now, and we're really getting to grips with them. We're starting to really find the capabilities. So out in Portugal, it was insane where we were going. And yeah, these bikes, higher travel, a bit more off-road orientated. Doesn't mean it compromises anything on the road, it definitely does everything. Still really good, but really, really like horrible terrain. I mean, it still copes with everything just perfect.
And we are spoiled. There's a huge range in the 1300 GS from the luxury touring end that Jenny's on with a 30-litre tank. That's a nice little gap there. Through to this little one Neil's on. So I reckon it's about time we had the guys over the gap. Does anyone want to see him jump the little gap? I should talk out. Does anyone want to see him jump the massive canyon? Yay! Right, I think we're going to get Ben to do it first with his zero clutch bike. Come on Ben, let's get you over the gap now. Beautifully done. Neil, your turn.
I don't like it.
Go on, you got this. Be brave. Now the slight problem we've got here is that the guys make that look effortless. That's that's a bike length gap with no run up on a slippery floor.
Nice little Taurus. I had one of these myself. came here to see. The GS range.
They've never been one. They've got a piano book.
It's the F900s. Here's a line of the new 1300 GSs.
Andy.
Oh, that's totally different. That's weird.
The latest R1300 GS Adventure TE. Nice looking bike. So let's take a look at what CCM have got to offer. Good looking bikes. There's the Maverick. Here's Ducati's stand for this year. Quite a big one.
Just want to take a picture of this one.
Here's the rest of the Ducati stand. Here we are at MV Augusta. What a stunning looking machine. Big price tag on this one. There we go. Here's the rest of the MV Augustas. There's some of the KTMs on offer. Here we have the Can-Am stand. New models from Suzuki. Again, quite a big stand here. So that was it for 2024 Motorcycle Live. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you all on the next one.